Hi, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. LaFuse, and I teach third grade at Charles Elementary School. I wanted to teach you today how to multiply two-digit by one-digit numbers. I know that all of you third graders have been working hard this year learning your multiplication facts, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a jump start on a fourth grade skill. So we're going to do a couple together, and then I will have an assignment attached for you to complete on your own and practice. So I'm going to go ahead and move this screen so you might be able to see part of me, but I want you to be able to see the board. And it says two-digit by one-digit multiplication, and we're going to start out with the number 17, and we're going to multiply 17 by 3. So just like when you add or subtract, you always want to start with the ones. And I will say you always want that two-digit number on top. So you're going to start with multiplying the ones. So you're going to start by doing 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Just like when you add or you want to put the number that would be in the ones place down below, and then you want to put the 2 over the 1. So I know that 7 times 3 is 21. I drop my 1, I put my 2 over here. Now I want to multiply 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. I don't want to forget about this 2 up here. I am not going to multiply that answer by 2. I'm going to add what was left over. So I'm going to add my 2. So I'm going to take 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 17 times 3 is 51. Let's try another one. Let's do 26 times 4. So just like I mentioned, we're going to start in the ones place. I have my two-digit number on top, and I'm going to multiply 6 times 4. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, so the 4 is the number that's in the ones place. So I drop that below the line, and I carry my 2 over here. Remember, I'm not going to multiply it, I'm going to add it. So if you need to put a little plus sign up there to remind you, go ahead and do that. Now I want to multiply my 4 times my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and I add my 2 from the ones. So 4 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. I don't have any other numbers to multiply, so I put my 10. 26 times 4 is 104. Let's try one more. 85 times, we'll do 5. So again, boys and girls, remember, I want to start in my ones place. 5 times 5, 25, you're right. Now what do I do with my 2? You're right, I put my 2 up top because I'm going to add it once I multiply. So I'm going to take 8 times 5 is 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is 42. 85 times 5 is 425. Hopefully that makes sense to you, and I hope that you will continue to practice on the worksheet that is available for you to do. Great job, boys and girls. Thanks.